people's lives, and
Yeah.
all the assets and what they do every day and everything. Of course, everything's in this. Uh, and they could have built a financial system with no backdoor and the level playing field and no inflation and none of all the evil stuff that's built into the system. They could have chosen to do that, and they could choose to do it today. You see, but they don't choose that. That's not the system we find ourselves in. We don't find ourselves in this system except for the system we're in. And that's not on us, that's on them. And so we're like, what? There's this hidden information you're trying to get over on us, this stuff. Okay, well, I don't trust you anymore. I'll trust God, and yeah, I'll follow the rules and game the system that you rigged in your favor. You just didn't tell us. Now I'm going to completely do that for the rest of my life because I found out you've been doing it your whole life.
Yep.
I'm just playing catch up over here. You just been lying about everything. We pay taxes, run our government. Oh, man, all that is made up BS programming. That's why you put us all in public schools to get us to do what you tell us, instead of what's really going on. And when we find out as adults, that you're lying to us, and we find out what's actually going on, and there's a way better way to do things because you've been doing it right along. Of course, we're going to do it that way because we don't really have any choice, do we? Like, we want to keep giving you thousands and thousands of dollars or keep it for our own family or feed our family and stuff. Like, that's not a hard decision. It's just, I'm going to follow the rules that you follow. Like, that's, uh, and so that means you